Hello everyone, good afternoon. I'm Lee Yi-Yu from Zoomlion Heavy Industry Science and Technology Co. Limited. This afternoon, I want to talk to you about our new small tonnage crawler crane, the ZCC850V. Among small tonnage crawler cranes, what are the expected features of our 85-ton crawler crane? Let's welcome Ms. Wan Jingdi, the product design engineer of the Zoomlion Engineering Crane branch, to introduce this new product to us.
Hello everyone, I'm Wan Jingdi.
I can't wait to learn about this giant. Please introduce its basic information.
The ZCC850V is the first V-series crawler crane. The maximum length of the boom is 61 meters, and the maximum length of the fixed jib is 19 meters. It adopts a telescopic carrier which takes into account both high lifting capacity and high transportation performance. It adopts the hydraulic pilot control method, which is widely accepted in the market. The transportation parameters are optimized so the crane can be transported as a whole or with the crawler frame removed. The maximum transportation width is not more than 3 meters. The ZCC850V crane has a completely new design. It looks small, but the control room is splendid and very spacious. It also supports panoramic pitching operation. The crawler travel system adopts a telescopic structure with a track gauge of 4.3 meters when working and a track gauge of 2.6 meters when being transported. It takes into account both high lifting capacity and high transportation performance. 4 outrigger cylinders are also provided for convenient assembly and disassembly during transportation. The ZCC850V adopts a modular design which is mainly reflected in the turntable. We can see that the turntable structure is very clear. It consists of the body steel structure, 2 side frames, shed, the control room, hoisting mechanism, swing mechanism, turntable counterweight, etc. Generally speaking, this design is intended to allow the components to be disassembled into relatively separate modules, and then the separate modules can be assembled into a complete machine.
Customers pay more attention to the stability of the crawler crane during operation. Let's take a look at the counterweight.
The counterweights of the turntable are stacked up and down with a maximum single-piece weight of 6 tons. They can be assembled by a small lift. Graded load tables with different counterweight combination modes are provided to meet the needs of a range of special occasions.
Next, let's take a look at the 2 booms of this giant. You just said that the maximum length of the boom is 61 meters, but now it's only 10 meters at most. How does this happen?
What we're seeing now is the shortest boom, that is, the basic boom, which is 13 meters long and consists of the boom bottom, boom top, and gooseneck boom bracket. The standard boom section in the middle can be increased or decreased every 3 meters according to the construction requirements. The cross-section of the boom is 1.6 by 1.4 meters, which is similar to that of a 100-ton product. Thus, it has strong rigidity, lateral bending resistance, and more accurate lifting capacity.
That is to say, the booms of the 85-ton crane are the same as those of the 100-ton crane, but we're not encouraging you to overload it. I hope you'll still observe safe operation procedures in actual operation. After getting to know the boom part, let's look at its hoisting part.
The crane has 4 main actions: traveling, swing, loofing, and hoisting. One mechanism is responsible for one of the main actions. Hoisting is mainly realized by the hoisting mechanism. The hydraulic system drives the reel to rotate, and the reel drives the wire rope to move, thus changing the height of the weight. The other 3 mechanisms are generally only used for auxiliary positioning.
The ZCC850V has leading lifting performance, and its hoisting mechanism provides a high speed. What are the main factors that determine its performance?
The hoisting mechanism has 3 main key indexes: single rope pull, rope speed, and action precision. The performance of the hoisting mechanism is greatly improved with a single rope pull of 8.5 tons, rope diameter of 24 millimeters, and single rope speed of 140 meters per minute. Of course, it also has good micromobility. All of this is owed to the hydraulic system. This product adopts a large displacement main pump from the world-class brand Lind Hydraulics, which can output more than 400 liters of hydraulic oil per minute. Let's look at the power system first. This product is equipped with a Dongfeng Humans QSC8.3 engine and a Weichai WP7 engine. Users can choose between them at will. In addition, we've also optimized and improved the speed control of the engine so that it can be controlled in two modes: automatic throttle and manual throttle.
If we say that the hydraulic system is the muscle of the crane, what changes have been made to the electrical system?
The electric control box adopts terminal wiring for convenient maintenance and inspection. The electrical system is also equipped with tilt sensors, power indicators, traveling alarm, swing alarm, and other devices as standard to ensure safety. All these operations and displays are completed in the control room. The ZCC850V adopts a new panoramic control room with a wider field of view. The standard tilt mechanism can reduce the work fatigue of operators because they do not need to keep their heads tilted. The side pedals of the control room bring improved convenience and safety. It's equipped with an HVAC as standard. It also has standard video monitoring system with separate video display which does not occupy the main display screen.
What can the camera see?
The video monitoring system provides two channels of signals. One channel is used to observe the hoisting mechanism, and the other is used to observe the rear of the whole crane. You can press this key to switch between cameras. In addition to the electronic camera pair, it is also equipped with arc surface reflecting mirrors at both sides to observe the surroundings. The height of the armrest box can be adjusted to ensure the most comfortable operation of the handle. On both sides of the armrest box, there are some commonly used operation buttons. The front button is for the put pedal, the rightmost one is for the accelerator pedal, and the middle two are for the traveling pedals. The buttons on both sides are reserved for optional free hook-falling pedals. There are several other auxiliary buttons at the top right. The most important thing is this display screen, which can display all the states of the whole crane. Let's power it on first. It's 10.4 inches and can be operated by pressing keys or as a touchscreen.
Thank you, Ms. Wanjingdi. Dear friends, let's conclude here for today. If you're interested in Zoomlion crawler cranes, please follow our WeChat ID, Zoomlion Crawler Crane. You can also consult your local agent or call the service hotline 400-800-0157. Thanks again for watching. See you next time!